Sexually reproducing organisms need at least 2 sets of DNA, which also means 2 copies of each gene. During reproduction, only 1 copy of each gene is given to the offspring. In the Mutt Mixer Interactive, the furnished gene has 2 alleles, furnished and smooth. There are 3 combinations of these alleles that are possible. A dog can have 2 furnished alleles, represented with 2 capital Fs. The capital F represents the furnished allele. A dog can have 1 furnished allele and 1 smooth allele, represented with a capital F and a lowercase f. The capital F still represents the furnished allele, and the lowercase f represents the smooth allele. Lastly, a dog can have 2 smooth alleles. 2 smooth alleles are represented by 2 lowercase f's. A dog with 2 furnished alleles will have the furnished trait. A dog with 1 of each allele will still have the furnished trait. A dog with 2 smooth alleles will have the smooth trait. Since it only takes 1 furnished allele to show the furnished trait, the furnished allele is dominant. Since it takes 2 of the smooth allele to show the smooth trait, the smooth allele is recessive. Dominant means it only takes 1 of the alleles to show the trait. Recessive means you need 2 of the alleles to show the trait. White spotting is another gene with 2 alleles, solid and spotting. In genetics, alleles are often represented by single letters. A dog can have 2 solid alleles. In this case we will represent them with 2 capital A's. The capital A represents the solid allele. A different combination a dog could have is 1 solid allele and 1 spotting allele, represented by a capital A and a lowercase a. The capital A still represents the solid allele and the lowercase a represents the spotting allele. Lastly, a dog can have 2 spotting alleles. The spotting alleles are represented by 2 lowercase a's. A dog with 2 solid alleles will have the solid trait. A dog with 1 solid allele and 1 spotting allele will have a low spotting trait. A dog with 2 spotting alleles will have the full spotting trait. Dominant means that only 1 allele is needed to show the trait. But when the alleles are combined for the spotting trait, neither trait is fully shown. It takes 2 solid alleles to show the solid trait. It takes 2 spotting alleles to show the full spotting trait. When a dog has 1 solid allele and 1 spotting allele, the trait it has is in between solid and spotting. It will have a low spotting trait. When 2 alleles work together like this to create an in-between trait, it is called codominance.